This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Alicia Ford. Welcome to your dream home in Londonderry. This beautiful neighborhood between Hampton and Newport News is just minutes away from Christopher Newport University and Shipyard, and an array of amenities, shopping centers, restaurants, etc. Stunning residence has a spacious layout and an array of desirable amenities. 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and an abundance of living space. Great for families seeking comfort, style, and sophistication. The home's heart lies in an expansive kitchen west/stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, and center island. Flows to spacious breakfast area and cozy family room, a seamless space for entertaining and relaxing. An office on the first floor for working from home. Luxurious primary suite on the upper level is an oasis west/spacious bedroom and walk-in closet. Ensuite spa-like primary bath. Features soaking tub, separate glass enclosed shower, and dual vanity sinks. 4 more bedrooms west/ample closet space offer versatility and comfort. Make this luxurious home yours. Schedule a tour today. For more information, review the details below.